Hi everyone, welcome to this series on English tenses. Today our topic is past perfect continuous tense. There are different types of past tenses. We already discussed about past simple, past perfect and past continuous in our previous videos. So today we will discuss about past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is also known as past perfect progressive tense. Now the question is when to use past perfect continuous tense. It is used to describe an action that started and continued in the past, before another action or event in the past. It means that the past perfect continuous tense is used to talk about something that started in the past and continued in the past, but everything is in the past. The past perfect continuous tense is also used for cause and effect relationship. It means one action caused another. For example, I was tired because I had been studying for 3 hours. In this example, studying caused tiredness. Now let's discuss the use of for in past perfect continuous tense. For focuses on the duration of the action. For example, I had been studying for 3 hours. It typically paired with a specific time frame like hours, days, and years. Since emphasizes the starting point of the action. For example, I had been studying since morning. It typically used with a specific point in time. For example, morning 2018, last week. Now let's discuss the sentence structure of past perfect continuous tense. To form positive sentences, we use the auxiliary verb had, and had is followed by the past participle been. Then we add verb with ing form. For example, I had been studying for 3 hours. This structure is used to describe an action that started before a specific point in the past. To form negative sentences, you just need to add not after the auxiliary verb had. Let's practice with example. I had not been studying for 3 hours. This structure is used to describe an action that did not start or did not continue before a specific point in the past. To form interrogative sentences in the past perfect continuous tense, you need to follow this structure. The auxiliary verb had comes first, had, subject, been, then verb with ing form. Let's practice with example. Had I been studying for 3 hours? And always remember to add question mark at the end of interrogative sentences. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.